back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Raey again with another interesting dance tutorial. It's a cuff dance challenge by me. Yeah, and so today I'm going to teach you those moves. If you haven't seen my video, you can go and see it on my shorts and then you try the dance. But I'll put my dance after the tutorial so that you can be able to do it. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Okay, so our first move, you're going to twist your legs 2 times as you go on the right side. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. The song says, I want to flex my love. So I want to flex my love. And make sure you feel the song, feel the vibe. If you are flexing, make sure your hands and your legs are collaborating and you flex, okay? So I want to flex my love. Hey, 5, 6, 7, go. Flex, flex. So our second move, you're going to step at the side, step at the middle, then you step, then step. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, 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 step. Very simple. Let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very simple. So our next move, you're going to step a little bit, then you do the horizontal move. 1, 2, 1, 2. You're going to do it 2 times. 5, 6, 7. Step a bit, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7. I want to flex my love. I want to take step, turn, 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 turn. So our next move, you're going to move on the right side using your right leg. Yeah, you step and step. But make sure you're using your left hand also to do that move for it to look more spicy. So 5, 6, 7, go. Step. Hey, before I forget, make sure you're moving your waist up and down. Because that song says, I'm your woman. Okay, so I'm your woman. I want to bless your blessing. I don't know if that song says blessing us, something like that. Okay, make sure you build that song. I'm your woman. I want to bless 2 times. So let's do it from top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 10. Bless. Then our next move, you're going to step, walk, step. You're going to do it once, so but make sure your hands are like this. So you 1, 2, 1, 2. Yay! Practice makes perfect. If you're not able to do this leg work, practice, and you're going to get it. So let's do it. Step, step, step. Then after that, you're going to turn at 360. So 1, 2, 3, then turn. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hey. So our next move is before we go to our next move, let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. Yeah. Bless. Wow. And here we are. And this is our last move, but it's very nice. I enjoy it. I guess this is my best move. So that's how I say, there you're going to hit, walk, walk. You're going to hit using your right leg. You hit, then you move at 180. I don't know if it's a 180 from where you are. No, it's a 90. Hits, but you see how my body is. Hits, then you move. So then you 1, 2, 3. Again. Then you then you then you then you go. The common move, the dance challenge of this song. 1, 2, 3. Then you go down, 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 down. I just love that challenge. So let's do it from the top. But make sure there's something I want to tell you. There's something I want to tell you guys. You must vibe with these songs so that you can be able to execute the moves. Okay? I'm so happy. Yeah, so let's start from the top. You flex your love, make sure you feel the music. So I want to flex my love. I want to take. I want to carry. I'm just feeling so happy. So let's start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, then go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let's carry 1, carry 10, 3, 60. Then you 8. Again. Then you. Yeah. La. Hey. Yeah. I just love it. So after this tutorial, I'm going to put my dance after this so that you can be able to know how to execute those moves that I've taught you here and how you can do them perfectly. Note, you can do perfect, more perfect than me because of practice and how you, the vibe of the song. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you. I'm so happy. Congratulations for those who have come to the end, those who have learned the steps with me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we are growing and I love the growth. So usichoke, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share. Bye bye, see you next time.